Today we're diving into a pressing issue that is starting to affect some Subaru owners: a defective thermo control valve and the pending class action lawsuit over it. If you own a 2019 to 2021 Crosstrek, Forester, Legacy, or Outback, or considering buying one, this video is a must-watch. Picture this: you're driving your Subaru. Maybe it's a Crosstrek, Forester, Legacy, or Outback from 2019 to 2021. Suddenly, you're stranded by the roadside with an overheated engine. This nightmare is a reality for some due to a critical defect in the thermo control valve. So let's dig into what exactly is going on. The thermo control valve, a small but vital part that regulates engine temperature, is allegedly failing unexpectedly in these models. This leads to engine overheating, engine failure, and a handful of safety issues. This valve is designed for precise temperature control, but it's been failing due to inadequate materials that can't handle the engine's heat and vibration. The result? Premature failure and cracking, posing a significant engine overheating and safety hazard. Allegedly, Subaru has known about this since at least 2021 and attempted an update, but the problem unfortunately persists, leaving many owners covering costly repairs themselves. Despite Subaru's warranties, many owners report that these repairs aren't being covered, leading to financial burdens. When this valve fails, it incorrectly senses the engine's temperature, leading to overheating, and in worse cases, catastrophic engine failure. Critical safety features like brake assist and eyesight driver assist technology can also become disabled. Now, let's talk symptoms. Look out for engine overheating, an illuminated check engine light, inconsistent engine temperatures, disabled safety features, poor cabin heating, unusual engine noises, coolant leaks, and reduced vehicle performance. So, that wraps up our overview of the class action lawsuit against Subaru over the defective thermo control valve in their 2019 to 2021 Crosstrek, Forester, Legacy, and Outback models. If you own one of these vehicles, it's essential to stay informed about developments in this case. For a deeper dive into this defect and to stay updated on the latest developments in this lawsuit, please visit the link in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to like and also subscribe to this channel for more helpful automotive videos just like this one. And be sure to check out mycarvoice.com for more automotive news, articles, and a complimentary car defect evaluation service. And if you are in the market for a new or used car, be sure to use our free vehicle reliability reports tool to help you find a dependable vehicle.